Thank you for joining in, and for today's video we have a fun collaboration with the brand Chalkola. I received this packet of markers here. They're 30 chalk markers. They come in a wide variety of colors. There is some instructions on the back here. It just says to shake well with the cap on and upright. Press down on the tip multiple times to get the ink flowing. Push down when you need extra ink, and it's very easy to wash off with water. Works best on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. That's quite a wide variety there. Child safe, water-based, non-toxic. It washes off of clothes, low odor, that's always really nice, acid-free, quick dry, long-lasting. Again, there's a bunch of different colors here that I'm going to test out. And we do have a white marker right here that came with a chalkboard, which I will show in a few minutes here after I show the markers. And then they have all the really cool colors right here on the tops. So we're going to go ahead and take them out. And along with all of these markers, they did include, which was really nice, some labels here. Just going to take them out and show. Some ovals, some rectangles. Oh, those are really nice, especially if you store things in mason jars, or even if you had like craft jars, so that way you can label everything. Okay, I am going to go ahead and shake these up, and then we're going to get into testing all the colors. And here we have the full-size chalkboard. It has a nice like edge here down the bottom, so you can store a marker there. And its size was roughly 12 by 14 inches. So it was 12 by 14 inches if anyone was curious. And let's see, it has a nice little stand in the back here with a chain. And it says Chalkola on the back. It is very sturdy, made of wood. And now we're going to get into testing some of the colors. Another thing I wanted to show quick here is that you can take off this little tip and flip it around. So you have the bullet nib or the chisel side. Just like that. As you can see here, the colors are really, really vibrant and pretty. There's such a wide variety here. There's some that are neon, some that are a little bit more subdued and nice for like neutrals and like fun colors. And they're really, really even and smooth and creamy. And with further testing down here in the corner, I just did a little abstract design, and I would say that you do have to allow for some drying time in between your colors here, and be careful not to get them too close. You can see a tiny bit right there where the blue like kind of seeped into the pink, but next time I would probably just separate the colors a little bit. But again, everything looks really nice and vibrant. Some of the fluorescent ones may need like a second coat here and there, but like I said, make sure to allow for some drying time before you try to go back in, or you're probably going to end up mixing the colors on your tips and ruining them. So that's a little bit of advice there that I noticed. And the colors are pretty true to the caps as well. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove everything with just some water. And I have a little spray bottle here. I'm just going to spray some water. And you can see it starts to dissolve the paint really, really quickly. And as I'm cleaning this here, I'm going to mention a couple of different ideas that you can do with this board. Obviously, if you're a small business owner, you can use this for lots of different things. You can write menus on this board and keep it up front. You can write inspirational quotes on it if you wanted to, if you're younger. You can write your homework on it. You can write your grocery list on it. You can use it for artwork. Even myself as a teacher, I can use this for demonstrations, which I greatly appreciate. And you're not wasting all kinds of paper because you can just simply wipe this clean with an old rag. So that's always nice too. So there's lots and lots of different things that you can do with these. And then the markers you can use on all different objects, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. You can use them on mason jars, glass, windows. So there's lots of fun things you can experiment with. And I'm going to leave all the information down below. There's a link to the Chalkola website. And there's also, they gave me a 10% off coupon for all of my followers, which again, I greatly appreciate for all of you. So if you would like to purchase any of these items, you can get 10% off. And all the prices, links, like I mentioned, everything will be in the description down below. So thank you so much for watching this fun review, and thank you to Chalkola for reaching out and doing this wonderful collaboration with me. And be sure to subscribe and like the video.